Finishing this course doesn't make you a trader, but it puts you ahead of most people who just try, because most never ever build the foundation. It's all random. Most never stay consistent long enough to learn how to trade, much less finish a 20 video course. You just did both. Now the question is, what are you gonna do with it? Let's talk about what comes next. Now listen, let's talk about real timelines, okay? Nobody has ever learned trading in a day, a week. The honest timeline, it's gonna be months, maybe years. It took me 3 to 4 years. Now I will say this, I didn't have a course like this. I got started in the early 2000s. I was stuck with books, which didn't even talk about anything that we talked about here. I was basically on my own, so it took me 3 to 4 years to get profitable. The beauty of this is, it's still gonna take time, but we're talking months, maybe years. And listen, if this is your lifelong goal, think of college. You go to college for 2 years or 4 years or even longer because you have a goal in mind. Don't rush it. Never think you can do it in days or weeks. No one's ever done it, okay? I know thousands of traders. I had a big podcast interviewing traders. I mean, like talking about their journey. No one ever came on that podcast. We did it for 5 years. Not one single guest ever came on and said, oh, I figured it out in days or weeks. Not one, okay? It takes time. There's a lot you need to learn, which just takes time and experience. Now, I want you to make your decision, but paper trading's not bad. A lot of people bash it. I mean, it's not real, okay? Flat out. I'm not telling you you'll have the same emotional response to paper trading as real money. But what I want you to focus on in the beginning is learning, not the money. Something I always say is real trading is about learning now, the money comes later. If you try and flip that because you want the money now, oh, and I'll learn it later, that's why 90% of fail, okay? Now, flip side, the great thing about commission-free brokers these days is you can trade with very little amounts of money. When I got started, if you tried doing that, the commissions, you would actually be profitable, but lose money because the commissions would eat you alive. It was very demoralizing. Like you're like, hey, I had a winning trade. And then you look at your account statement and after your commissions, you actually lost money. But now we have all of these commission-free brokers, so start out small. I mean, here's the thing. If you make 20, 30% on one share of a stock, I want you to celebrate that. Now, it might be $2, okay? But it's about the good trades. It's about celebrating the fact that I followed all of this process that Tim taught me over the previous 19 videos and implemented it, and I made 20%. And if that's $2, so be it. Because over time, the scaling comes in. Now you're doing it the right way, and it's 100 shares, or it's 1,000 shares, or it's 100,000 shares. So when you go live, do it with the smallest possible size. Focus on good trades versus the big money. That comes later. Now, another thing I want you to do is really look for a good mentor and avoid the bad one. A really pivotal change in my trading was finding a mentor. Many of you guys know I have one and only one trading mentor, and that's Tim Sykes. One of the best decisions I ever made was deciding to get a mentor. Now, be careful. A lot of sketchy ones out there. But if you do your due diligence, you'll find the guys with the track records and have done it. I pride myself in the mentoring that I do. After trading for about 10 plus years, I decided to start mentoring because I saw so many people making mistakes. I show up every day for my members, every single day. Haven't missed a day of mentoring in 10 plus years. Get a mentor. It's powerful. It can really amplify your learning process. Now, I could be a little rough around the edges at sometimes, but I want people to learn and do it right. Last thing I want people to do is blow up their account and give up. Trading has changed my life for the better in so many ways, and I want people to accomplish that as well. Now, also, always have a process before every trade. Document it, because if you're not writing out a trade plan, you got nothing to follow. And as I mentioned in the previous video, you have no way to learn. You have no way to build. You have no way to study, okay? I want you to be a student of the game. I want you to think of yourself like a scientist trying to figure out trading. You're trying to crack the code. Now, you can't do that if you're just doing random things every day, and then you get to the end of the day and you're like, what did I even do? What setups did I trade? Where did I buy? Where did I sell? What time of day? What pattern? If you're not building data, you've got nothing to learn from. Now, the single trait and that is absolutely the single trait that decides who makes it, and that is consistency over intensity. If you try and sprint through this, you're going to gas out before you get anywhere near the destination. You got to get from 20 miles, okay? If you try sprinting 20 miles, I don't care how good a shape you're in, you're going to gas out. It might seem corny, but it's the tortoise and the hare, okay? The tortoise takes the slow, disciplined approach, and he wins the race because the rabbit gasses out. Most traders, it's just they want it too quick, they want it too soon, they rush it because they can't wait to actually learn how to do it. So my friends, that's a wrap on Day Trading 101. Now, this is not the end. It's literally just the beginning. I'd love for you guys to go back to video 1 and watch it again and work all the way through the series. You got the worksheets. I'm confident there's a lot of stuff you probably missed the first time through because you're not the same trader you were when you started this. You'll see things differently. You'll catch things that you missed the first time. And the second time through, it'll start to stick. Now, my friends, I'd love if you drop a comment below. Where were you starting from? And what's the one thing you're committing to changing today? What's the one thing you're willing to commit to change next week, next month? Drop me a comment. I'd love to see those. Let me know what you learned in the course. So I'm Tim Bowen. Trade smart and let's stay green.